Hey, what's up, guys? Kimo Sabi, also known as Kai, owner of Seek and Line Fitness, ACSM certified personal trainer. And I just want to give you a tip. If you're somebody that is looking to get their first pull-up, one of the best exercises that you can do that actually mimics the functions of the pull-up and the motions of the pull-up is to do a seated pull-up. Let me demonstrate. If you can find a Smithsonian machine at your local gym, or if you have rings, if you don't have a pair of rings, you should definitely get a pair because they're relatively cheap and you can take them anywhere. I even hang them on tree branches and work out in parks. But anyways, you can even use a tabletop at home that's nice and sturdy. And what you can do is have your butt seated on the ground, chest upright, arms straight, pull up, boom. Try to get your chest to the bar and or rings. Once you get better at that, you're well on your way to getting pull-ups. You want to try to keep your legs straight at the beginning, but as you get stronger, if that's too hard for you, what you can do is you can bring your feet in, and that makes it easier because you can get your hips underneath you to spot you. All right, so demonstrating from a better angle here, you want to try to find a height for your Smithsonian machine or your rings, where your arms are straight at the bottom, have your legs straight, and pull yourself up, shoulders down and back. Make sure you descend into your shoulder girdle. Press from that stable position, or pull from that stable position, excuse me. Try to pretend like you're trying to tuck your shoulders into your back pockets, particularly at the bottom, okay? Once it gets too difficult, you can bring your feet in to get your hips underneath you to spot you. Or you can start there. The straight legs are too difficult for you. I've showed other exercises such as body weight rows and negatives, but I like this exercise a lot because it mimics the actual form of a pull-up. So it gives you a better feeling of what it's like to actually pull your own body weight, so to speak. Let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time.